Good morning, John. We're going to be running the product that you sent us, the insulation fasteners. We're going to be running it in the model S-4 logical machines scale system. It's configured with a standard supply hopper. We're using a large weight hopper because of the density of the product. Your target weight is 1.92 pounds, and we're going to be using a standard 5-inch chute for the flow. You'll see in the video. We already loaded the product into the supply hopper, and we're going to be running it in automatic mode. I'm going to set up the bag on the chute, and then we will run the first run.